on teenagers' mental health. We'll collect data through surveys and interviews, then analyze the result and present our findings and presentation.
Could you clarify where we're getting the data for the survey? Will we be creating existing data sets or we will create our own? I'm concerned about the time it takes to create our own survey.
We'll be creating our own survey, but we can use existing questionnaires as template to save time. We'll need to ensure it's ethical and has been approved by universities' ethics.
Excuse me, Justin, but I think we should also consider using observational methods. We could observe teenagers using social media in their natural environment to get a more holistic picture.
That's a good point, Elena. Let's add observational studies to our methodology. We'll need to ensure we have the necessary ethical approvals for this as well.
What's the deadline for submitting a complete survey? I want to make sure I have enough time to collect the data.
The completed survey needs to be submitted in 2 weeks. We then have another week for data analysis and preparation for the presentation.
I'm a little confused. What exactly do we need to include in the data analysis section? What kind of statistic method should we use?
Maybe we can consult with our professor and statistics tutor to make sure we are using the right tools. They can help us choose appropriate statistical tests and interpret the result.
Just to clarify, the presentation should be around 15 minutes long, right? And it should include visuals such as charts and graphs to present our findings effectively.
Yes, that's correct. A 15-minute presentation with visuals is required. Let's make sure we allocate enough time for grading those. Thanks for coming back together, everyone. Today we need to finalize our task and make sure everyone knows what they're doing before the weekend. Let's start with the surveys. Who's working on the questions?
I can start drafting them. Just to clarify, how many questions are we aiming for? And should they all be multiple choice?
Aim for around 10 to 15 questions. A mix of multiple choice and short answers would be good. We want both measurable data and personal insights.
Sorry to cut in, but shouldn't have we also ask about the amount of screen time and the type of content they consume that could show a stronger link to mental health?
Good catch, Elena. Yes, include a section on usage habits. They'll be important for both surveys and our observational tools.
Just wanted to make sure when exactly we need to start distributing the survey. I think we contribute with a few classmates on the personal
By Monday, so we have a full week for data collection.
I am still unsure about how we were organizing the results. Do we need to involve the open-ended responses or just summarize them?
Help with that. We can categorize small responses into themes. For the quantities data, we'll use simple stats like average and frequency count. I'll show you how we go.
About the presentation, do we each speak during 15 minutes or will only a few of us present?
Great question. I'd like to everyone speak for at least 2 minutes. We'll divide the slides evenly and each person will cover a section: survey, observation, analysis, and conclusion.
One last thing, are we going to rehearse the presentation together?
Absolutely. We'll do a full run through 2 days before this deadline. I'll send a schedule and send it tonight. And let's keep working. Make sure your parts are ready by the weekends and feel free to message in the group chat if you need help. Work on track.